Hi, welcome to Copenhagen. Thanks for dropping in. Hope everybody is doing well. Today I am looking at day number 11 of the 2024 Diamond Painting Advent Calendar from Diamond Art Club. So day number 11, one more to go. So another small one, and we'll see how this one goes. Okay, so inside box number 11 is drills. I know I will not get my fingers in here, so I'm going to have to take it off the table again and tilt it up. Take these out, and this is what we had inside. So we have two large containers of drills. So Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. And the print is very small. My eyes are very old. So we have 18 grams of drills, 20 facets. So they will be very, very sparkly. And it actually said on the box, I think, I'm just going to cheat because the print is so small. When I looked at the box on the first day, it said iridescent and fairy dust diamonds set of 2. So these are the iridescent drills. They have a silver backing, and the light actually shines into the drill, bounces off the silver backing and reflects back again. So they are very, very sparkly. Then we have, did I say fairy dust? Yes, fairy dust. So these are the fairy dust drills, green drills with a special coating on them that is, it's like very, very fine glitter, but it does not come off on your fingers. So these are if you want to either create a new design and maybe work on something like a flower pot, make a design, put some glue down, and then make patterns. Or if you want to swap them out in a diamond painting and modify it slightly. It's really up to you what you use them for. There are a lot of drills. These little tubes are really heavy. So lots of drills if you want to use them to experiment. So that is day number 11. So day number 11 was 2 containers of diamond painting drills, 1 of iridescent and 1 of fairy dust. I did notice on the containers it actually says how many drills are in them. They have 3,500 drills each. So as I said, for someone who is creative and can come up with designs and maybe wants to decorate a flower pot or a candle holder or something like that, or someone who wants to modify a diamond painting, add a little bit more bling. So if you are the creative type, I'm sure you could use these. So that was it. Day number 11, only one more day to go. So if you want to see day 12, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification button, and you will get a message very soon. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching, and in the meantime, take care, be safe, and wash your hands.